There's been pressure on his shoulders as the championship leader going into this race. He's not buckled on it, and to be fair, he's had little or no pressure on the track whatsoever. Since his teammate locked up, tried to make the move into the second turn on the opening lap and didn't come off. Since then, it has been Hamilton who has led this race from start to finish. It is a British record equaling 31st Grand Prix win for Lewis Hamilton. It's a first win at the Russian Grand Prix in the Formula One World Championship, and it goes to the championship leader, Lewis Hamilton. For Nico Rosberg, it's another podium as he crosses the line to come home and finish